I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs in the 40s today, tomorrow even cooler with low clouds keeping highs in the 30s. With the approach of low pressure, light rain or drizzle may move up from the south tomorrow afternoon and evening. Tomorrow night into Wednesday, a light wintry mix may develop as precipitation moves into colder air. Impacts, though, expected to be minimal with little to no accumulation. Higher chances of rain and snow return for Wednesday night through Thursday as the main area of low pressure ejects onto the plains. There is increasing consensus among the forecast models that the highest snow totals will remain across South Dakota. Areas to the north of I-80 could pick up a couple of inches of snow, but right now that's not even a guarantee. Friday is dry with only slight chances of precipitation returning over the weekend. Highs Wednesday through the weekend will be in the upper 30s to the 40s. In the long-term forecast, colder than normal temperatures are likely for Nebraska, Kansas, and much of the U.S. this weekend through March 19th, especially for Nebraska and Kansas this weekend through early next week. Slightly above normal precipitation is indicated this weekend through March 19th for Nebraska and Kansas. Key weather factors in the markets include widespread precipitation through the U.S., heat and mostly dry crop weather in Argentina, and more rain for Brazil. This week, loosely organized storminess results in mostly widespread but generally light precipitation. Midweek thunderstorms could become severe across the southeastern plains and the mid-south with high winds, large hail, and isolated tornadoes accompanying 5-day rain totals reaching 1 to 3 inches or more. As the week progresses, cooler air overspreads areas of the southern and eastern U.S. that have been experiencing unusually warm weather. Across the western areas of the southern plains, precipitation remains limited where drought continues its hold. Towards the northern plains, additional waves of snow add up to some hefty amounts, and colder air results in higher inputs than normal required for livestock. For much of Brazil's main growing areas, scattered rain continues this week. Significant progress has been made with the Brazil soybean harvest and second crop corn planting despite the recent rain. Some second crop corn planting is behind in Brazil, which may lead to the corn going through pollination during the dry season. Argentina's dry conditions and heat continue to be a concern for immature corn and soybeans. Far southern Argentina, though, could see more widespread rain through the weekend. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.